Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Horseshoe name carries one of the most influential legacies of casino history, and its Las Vegas location continues that tradition on this stretch of the Strip. Formerly known as Bally's, the resort took on the Horseshoe branding in 2022, reviving a name that traces back to the original Binion's Horseshoe downtown, a property famous for shaping modern casino culture. The rebrand connects the Strip's location to the heritage of Benny Binion, whose original Horseshoe proudly introduced high-limits gambling, no-limit poker, and the focus on treating every player like a VIP. The modern Horseshoe Las Vegas keeps that spirit while presenting itself as a refreshed contemporary resort. Its exterior adopts a cleaner, more streamlined look compared to its Bally's era, with updated facades, new signage, and a more polished presence along the boulevard. The casino aims for a classic style rather than a themed environment, leaning towards a straightforward gaming identity that reflects the original Horseshoe's philosophy. A place focused on table games, straightforward hospitality, and a sense of approachable luxury. Inside the property, the Horseshoe emphasizes gaming heritage with areas dedicated to table play, poker, and a mix of modern slot titles. The transformation involved removing older design elements and replacing them with darker tones, metallic accents, and a style that pays homage to traditional casino aesthetics without leaning into the nostalgia. The focus is on delivering an adult-oriented gaming experience that contrasts with some of the more heavily themed resorts surrounding it. One of the signature features of this location is its connection to the World Series of Poker, an event that originated at the original Horseshoe downtown. After the rebrand, the Las Vegas Strip Horseshoe became one of the host venues for the modern WSOP tournament series, sharing duties with its neighboring resort. This connection reinforces the Horseshoe's identity, a brand tied deeply to competitive card play and famous poker history. The property also incorporates a mix of dining and entertainment options that were added or updated as part of the rebranding effort. Some restaurants emphasize classic American comfort food, while others cater to visitors looking for quick service options as they move between attractions on the Strip. The updates have intentionally kept the resort accessible while giving it a stronger identity within the Caesars portfolio. Walking past this section of the boulevard, the Horseshoe stands as a reminder of how Las Vegas continues to evolve.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.